Uncle.
Only can enough. Only can enough.
Uncle.
Oh, my basic couple.
Oh, no. Good to see you. Good to see you. Huh?
Hey! What is that batakwala? I know you must make it. Your father was great when he was alive.
Yes.
And I know a lion can never give birth to a dog. Hey! Hey!
Good to see you.
Hey! What is it?
Yes.
Yeah,
Don't bother pinching yourself. It's real. Eh? Omeleme, you said it, that my father was a great man. Now I am greater.
It is true.
Yes. Now I am known as Ezengwongwo na Jakarta.
Ezengwongwo?
Yes.
Na Jakarta.
Yeah, Uncle Ige maybe say for Obro Jakarta. Uncle, cool down. Let me educate you. Listen. A city in Indonesia. Ebenje Butike, and they crowned me as Ezengwongwo. That city is called Jakarta.
Jakarta.
I
remember. Jakarta.
Auntie, let me tell you what you are going to do. Go out there, all the women, new mother, tell them to come that I'm back. You know Christmas is celebrated on the 25th of December. Okay? Yes. I want us to start our own Christmas now. Hey. You know about what? Coordinates over the Ezengwongwo na Jakarta. Let them come. Hey, okay, bro, Belife. I can call you even them in Jakarta.
Nwabueze, you are welcome.
Thank you.
When did you come back?
I just came back now. Yes, I just came in. So I decided to come pay you a visit first.
Oh, that is very kind of you.
Yes. Igwe, my business abroad has been very successful. And I can even my people must benefit from it.
Oh, yes.
Igwe. Take a look. Take as much money as you want. When you're done, you will go.
Oh, me? Wait, you mean all this money is for us? Oh, Nwabueze. The only young man in this kingdom with a large heart.
Yes.
Thank you. I'm glad you appreciate it. Yes, that's why I was crowned Ezengwongwo. Babangwongwo na Jakarta.
Ezengwongwo.
Oh, you know Makia? You know Makia? You know we get $1.
Babangwongwo na Jakarta.
Hey! In addition to that, Igwe, I have something for you outside.
Eh? Wait a minute. You mean you have another thing for us in spite of the big money you have given to us?
Come and see it.
Oh no, enough. Hey! This is too much, really. Nwabueze.
This is it. Your new car.
You mean that this big car is now my property?
Here's the key.
Hey. Oh no, we're not. Hey, my son. The gods of our land will continue to bless you. They will never cease to surprise you with abundant wealth. Hey!
It's been over 5 years that Ezengwongwo carried our son to Indonesia. And since then, we've not heard from him. Anyway, I heard that Ezengwongwo is back in town. Yes. So you need to go and see him and ask him after our son.
Yes, you are right. I'll go to him. Then find out from him what is wrong. In fact, if possible, I collect his number from him so that we can call him when we feel like talking to him.
Okay, Papa.
Yes.
Nani, that's the best thing to do. Because I do not understand it. Remember, initially I was against my son traveling abroad. Aware?
Yes.
I was against it. And it was just a couple of weeks after he had paid for Kosi's bride price. But he insisted and promised he would be back in a few months. A few months have turned into 2 years. Man, you need to do something. You need to go and find out what is wrong with our son. I want to know what is wrong with my son.
Stop crying.
Papa, stop crying. I don't cry. Wow, it just the way and mama. Because when I start to cry, Nani, you cannot hold me.
Yeah, please.
Nani, you can go and find out where our son is. I need to speak to my son.
I'm sure I'll get some positive report from him. Don't worry. Relax. Don't bother yourself anymore.
Nani, don't be telling me don't worry. Relax. Because I know you. You will go there and ask nice. You have to be strong. You have to be demanding. Nani, it's our son we're talking about.
Do you want me to go and fight him?
If needs be that you will fight him, you fight him now. I'm not going to be gentle.
No, don't worry. Retire to what we are doing. I will go and see him.
Oh God, but again a retirement. Every time, retire. Let me retire. Oh, can now I'm from one time, so we are retire.
Ezengwongwo. Jakarta.
Hi! You're looking very good. And your cars are beautiful.
We thank God.
It's good to see you.
Good to see you too. I love you. You're looking good too.
Says who?
Says Ezengwongwo na Jakarta.
Hi. Hi.
Good to see you.
Ezengwongwo, ever since you left with my husband, I've not heard from him. I hope all is well with him.
Your husband. Alomel. Telling you. Nuku Alomel. Come to think of it, how? What is man? Could he have left you like this? Look at you. You're suffering. Get into the car. Huh? Let's go to my house. We'll relax. And then I'll tell you everything.
Hi. Ezengwongwo.
Jakarta.
Hey. Okay. Hey. That's funny.
International chairman with a big money or the mellow cash Ezengwongwo na Jakarta. You are a big man with a big money. Ezengwongwo is a big man. The money not the finish you, it is a big money. Ezengwongwo is a big man. The money not the finish you, it is a big money. Ezengwongwo na Jakarta.
Ikenna broke my heart. Tell me. Ikenna met her up well. Single-handedly, I bankrolled Ikenna's trip to Indonesia because of our friendship. In fact, because I love him like a brother, more than a brother. Ikenna boy Nkem now, hi. And I did that because I wanted Ikenna to succeed. I was ready to teach him everything about my business so we can progress, The moment Ikenna got to Indonesia, Ikenna changed completely. I'm telling you, I was so shocked. Ikenna changed. He stopped listening to me. And then he started craving for white women. Say, Ikenna, Maggie, are you drunk? Eh? Have you forgotten where you came from? You have a beautiful girl like Kosi back home in Nigeria. Ikenna wouldn't listen to me. Huh? He kept on going after white women, sleeping with white women. In the end, he got married to one of them.
Eh?
Ikenna is married to a white woman.
Ikenna.
My dear, after that, he started doing all sorts of, shady businesses. He left the business that I brought him there to do. Started doing all sorts of things, and he kept on feeling like he was on top of the world. Now, Ikenna, what are you doing? What are you doing, Ikenna? He wouldn't listen to me. The next thing, I kept Ikenna. Because of that case, I have spent money. I'm telling you, I have spent my hard-earned money, millions, trying to bring Ikenna out of that place. All to no avail. Believe me, Ikenna is going to die in prison.
No. Wait. Wait. Are you trying to tell me that Ikenna got married to a white woman and he's in jail now? I don't understand. He's married to a white woman.
Ikenna, what is he? I'm telling you, Ikenna, what is he? Ikenna has forgotten you completely. Ikenna is married to a white woman. I mean, he kept on moving with not just one, many white women. And when he started this thing, I said, Ikenna, you have a beautiful girl at home. You have Kosi. What are you doing? What's Ikenna? Woohoo! Who's I? Ikenna said, no, get jelly me if I want your child. That's exactly what he did. Or Jede Ikenna thought. You see, Ikenna, I know you've made sacrifices for him, but Ikenna does not deserve it. Forget it.
I have waited 5 years of my life waiting for Ikenna. Ikenna never called. He never cared. He never wrote me. He didn't find any means to contact me. And I've been here waiting for him for over 5 years. I don't even know what to do. Please, what am I going to do now?
My dear, I feel your pain. Believe me. I feel your pain. These things happen because Ikenna never loved you. Yes. Ikenna was just using you. Because you are beautiful, very brilliant. To crown it all, you are a lawyer, you know. Because of that, Ikenna just glued himself to you for the benefits. Because of what he was gaining. Then when he see you, I'll tell you, you're still a very young girl, you know. You have a lot ahead of you. You have a bright future. Forget Ikenna.
But I love him. I love him so much. I can't forget him easily.
He doesn't love you. Ikenna doesn't love you. He never loved you. He's married to a white woman right now. And you know, you know white women are there just side the once they take a man or kidnapped forever, she may kill you. I'm telling you, if that white woman finds out about you, she may kill you. Apia.
Hi! I can't see jail. I can't see Why would Ikenna do such a thing to me? Knowing full well that I love him so much. I've waited 5 years of my life. There is nothing I did not do to get in contact with Ikenna. And he left me here and got married to a white woman. What kind of life is
this? I'm so sorry, my dear. Honestly, looking at you right now, I understand. You know, I feel your pain. I mean, I kept on talking to Ikenna. Ikenna wouldn't listen to me. Listen, just look at the way he left you. Look at you, a lawyer. A lawyer. Just go to this scene. Look at how you're dressed. Then look at your bag. Come on. I kept on telling Ikenna, call home, call Kosi, take care of Kosi. Ikenna wouldn't listen to me. Ikenna. Come on now. I feel so bad. It's okay. Because Bezna. Huh? Bezna. I'm here. You can have this money, please. Hold on to this. Just spend it. Use it to buy clothes. Take care of yourself. Enjoy yourself. Spend the money. I care.
It is too much.
No, it's nothing. My foreigner here. Do you know who is seated before you? This is nothing. Spend this money. Feel free. Don't be scared. Buy clothes for yourself. If you finish the money, just come back to me. Feel free. This is nothing, man. Come on. Spend this money. Okay? Enjoy yourself. Spend it. If the money finishes, don't even bother. Just come back to me. Come back to me. Tell me, Ezengwongwo na Jakarta. Help me. I'll give you more. I'll give you.
Eze, this is the third time you're taking me out ever since you returned. And I've been meaning to ask, why are you so nice to me?
I think I'm just designed like that. Yes, I believe God has blessed me so that I can be a blessing to other people. So I can come down to our village and help the people who don't really have much help of water. And that's exactly what I'm doing. Not like some of our people who make money over there and stay there and get married to white women. Somebody like me, Ezengwongwo, na Jakarta. I've made all this money, but I always come back and bless our people. That's just the way I am. And I believe that if I decide to keep this money to myself and not help people like you and others,
You're so funny. Anyway, thank you very much. Thank you.
It's all right. It's nothing. It's nothing. Tomorrow, get ready. I'll take you out so we can have lunch or dinner, depending on when you're ready.
Again? Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's all right.
I have to go.
No, relax. What are you rushing to go and do? Relax. You look very beautiful, by the way. Nice dress.
Thank you.
One more thing. Castro. What you ready? Fine girl. If there's anything you need or want, just let me know. What I'm not phone is Ezengwongwo na Jakarta. No, go close to her. Dance. There, take as much as you want. When you're done, let me know.
I should do what?
Take as much as you want.
Thank you, I've taken.
Nah. I'll make you well. One, take more.
No, it's okay.
Castro, where will I go?
This is too much.
Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Huh? So you're fine, eh?
Yes.
Alright, Castro, you can take it back now.
Thank you.
You're good, eh?
Yes, I'm good.
Ezengwongwo. Jakarta. Jakarta. Alright, see you tomorrow, okay? Yeah.
International chairman with a big money, or the Meloka share better cha. Ezengwongwo na Jakarta, you are a big man with a big money. Ezengwongwo is a big man. The money not the finish.
You've been staring at me ever since we got here. And it's making me quite uncomfortable.
That's because I like you. I like you so much. So unfortunate that Ikenna abandoned you to suffer. But I'm here now. All I ask is that you give me the opportunity to come into your life and take good care of you.
Well, I'm already engaged to Ikenna. And he happens to be your best friend. What happens to him?
Yes. Ezengwongwo na Jakarta speaking. What?
I hope there's no problem.
Oh my God.
Oh, can you talk to me, please?
Hi.
Please talk to me. Are you okay?
The Secretary of the Igbo Community in Indonesia. He said Ikenna will be executed today.
Oh!
Who dropped you off with that expensive car?
Ezengwongwo's escort.
Ezengwongwo is a friend to your husband. A lot has changed in you. You now wear expensive clothes, shoes. You should be careful, my daughter. Because any man that can go as far as buying you these expensive things is actually looking for something under your legs. And I'm very sure you're not ready for it. Because he's the best friend of your husband. Oh,
Mama, I am no longer engaged to him. Yes, I am not. Even though he has paid my bride price. Mama, I have every right to do what other young ladies do. I want you to know that I am a lawyer, Mama. I'm no longer a child. I've gone through the 4 walls of the university. I am enlightened. I know what I'm doing. All I want you to do is to calm down with me and you understand. I have everything under control. I know what I'm doing.
Oh,
Oshi, who gave you all this money you are hiding? Eh?
My boyfriend.
Your boyfriend? Have you forgotten that you're engaged to someone?
Papa, I am no longer engaged. I'm not.
Huh?
The last time I checked, you were engaged to Ikenna, the son of Chief Mba. He came 5 years ago and paid your bride price. And by the tradition of our people, you were married to him.
The last time I also checked, Papa, I am not engaged. Papa, please. I have every right to live my life the way I want. You better return the bride price they paid on my head. Because I am no longer interested in the marriage. I am not.
Oh, I know who is behind all this.
Who could that be?
Ezengwongwo, of course. Because I saw one of his cars drop her off yesterday. And he has been the one showering her with gifts and money.
I don't think it's Ezengwongwo. Ezengwongwo is Ikenna's best friend. And that I know. But then I think something is wrong somewhere. You have to talk to your daughter.
Papa, there is nothing to talk about. There is nothing absolutely to talk about. All these years I've been waiting for Ikenna are wasted years. Ikenna is in prison. Before he got into prison, he was married to a white woman. That is why he never called to check up on me or call me.
You mean Ikenna has been married to a white woman and he's now in prison?
Yes. And I have been waiting for him here all these years, Mama. 5 solid years. He never cared. Mama, I feel used. A learned woman like me, being deceived by a man who claimed to love me. Please, I don't ever want to talk about Ikenna again. I don't want to have anything whatsoever to do with him. I want to live my life right now.
Well, I'm your father. And you're my daughter. I have to advise you. Cross-check your facts before you take any decision.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go.
But there is nothing to cross-check. Because the person he wines and dines with told me categorically that he's not coming out. He's going to die in that prison. Please, you push allow me to live my life freely. I deserve to be happy. Please. You like it? Yes. Look at even the money. Papa wants me to leave it for a man who doesn't care about me. I will not do that. What is all this? You can't. Alright, Chelugodi, you want some money, right? Go and fetch water. I'll give you some later. I will give you some. I owe you.
I'm doing very great. We thank God. I wanted to come see you, but I've been so busy since I came back. Extremely busy.
Yeah, I'm here now. You see, my son, ever since you left for Indonesia with my son, Ikenna, we spoke with him a few weeks. And after that, no more. We never spoke again. Never heard from him. And we are worried. So that is why I am here. To know whether things are really moving well with him or not.
Ikenna. Nai, I'll be very honest with you. Things are not moving well with Ikenna. I'm telling you. Ikenna disappointed me. Big time. In fact, as I speak with you now, Ikenna is in prison.
Eh?
I don't even know if he'll come out alive.
Hey, Ikenna in prison. Hey, he's my first son and the only child of the mother. Hey, what offense did Ikenna commit?
Oh, no. Ikenna material, honestly. Ikenna broke my heart. You know, I brought Ikenna down to Indonesia. to teach him the business I do.
Yes.
You know, so he can also be successful like me. What? And everybody knows the kind of business I do. Legit business. Mazungwongwo. Mbubata ngwongwo, eke ngwongwo, ebupu ngwongwo, ebubatakwa. That's what I do. I do importation and exportation. Ona galom mbubaka moto. You know? But Ikenna was just too impatient. I told Ikenna, cool down and learn this business. And then you need time to grow. On a weekend, Ikenna, be patient and learn this business. Only a weekend, Ikenna wanted to make fast money. Before I knew it, he joined some boys. We call them Mumu Kolo. Yes, he joined them and started doing all sorts of shady business. To make matters worse, Otinyezia Kanampulu Mile. Ekebuli Ikenna.
What is Mpolomil?
Nah, you're an old man. You will not understand. Believe me, it's deep. But don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Just know that it's a shady business. It's bad business. But the Igbo community in Indonesia, headed by me, we are doing everything we can to bring Ikenna out of prison.
Ikenna is my first son. I'm the only child of the mother. Please, people should do everything possible to make sure that he comes out. Please, help him.
I know. I understand. It's not a problem. Huh?
Because I have a land that I can sell and send the money to support the move, to bring him out.
Gee, don't bother yourself. Huh? If you sell your land, how much will you get from it? Don't bother yourself. If the problem was money, they will come to me and tell me, Ezengwongwo na Jakarta. It's not a problem. If it's money, they will inform me. I'll handle it. But don't bother yourself. I want to assure you, if there's anybody who truly wants Ikenna to come out of that place and who can bring him out, that person is me.
A big man with a big money. Ezengwongwo is a big man. The money not the finish, it is a big money.
It went well. Everything went well.
It went well.
Honestly.
Thank God. So, what did he say about our son? Did he say he's fine and everything is positive?
Of course, our son is coming back during the New Yam Festival.
I can't believe this.
You have to believe it.
I just hope my son is looking as fresh as Ezengwongwo.
Or in fact, he is very fresh, very fine. But he even showed me the picture they took together with our son in his phone. And he's very fine.
Oh, thank you. Yeah? Was there any peculiar thing about our son? Did he look?
Yes. I forgot to tell you this. I didn't like the earring he was wearing, like his friend.
No young man of that age travels abroad now and comes back without piercing the ear and wearing earring. That one should not bother you.
Okay,
oh?
Okay, but my joy is that he didn't draw a tattoo on his body.
No, if you get tattoo no go area. I don't even like that tattoo thing.
Oh, you don't?
No, now.
Okay.
You know, I heard gossip. I didn't say I'm sure.
Okay.
That people that put tattoo on their body, that when it's time to maybe donate blood to somebody, they cannot because of the tattoo thing.
That is terrible. It is terrible.
Now you come inside now. Come and eat.
Thank you. What type of food?
International chairman with a big money, or the mellow cash, Ezengwongwo na Jakarta. You are a big man with a big money. Ezengwongwo is a big man. The money not the finish, it is a big money.
I know you don't know how to drive, but I don't want you to register in one of these driving schools. The moment you do that, you'll be exposed to a lot of men. And if I was 18, I can't even hear Ezengwongwo. I don't want that. So I decided to buy you a car. So you start from there first. By the time you learn and you're very strong in driving, I can get you something like this. This is yours.
Wait, the car is mine? This car is mine! Thank you so much! Thank you! This is so beautiful! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, I'm so happy! I'm so excited. The car is beautiful. Thank you so much.
I'm glad you like it.
I love it. Ezengwongwo, you're such a nice person. Thank you.
Well, I told you, if there's anybody who can take very good care of you in this life, that person is Ezengwongwo na Jakarta.
You have done it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
I'm not done yet.
Oh. Oh my! Oh my! Oh, I will. So many things happen at the same time. I'm so excited. I don't even know what to do. I said, Gogo, thank you. Oh. Oh, thank you. Ezengwongwo.
Now, what are you saying? Ezengwongwo be Ezengmoto. What are you
Papa, you should be happy for me. Not only that, he equally proposed to me and I accepted. Yes,
my daughter. Hey, Mama. Hey.
No problem.
Yes.
You can propose to you, you can accept. But first, you must go back to Ikenna and the family. As far as I'm concerned as your father, he paid your bride price.
Papa, I know what I'm doing. I know exactly what I'm doing. Bam. Papa, where? I'm not going back there. It is your duty to go back there as my father and tell them whatever you want to tell them. I'm not going there. Bam.
I have made my point.
Papa, I'm telling you the truth. I've chosen someone else. I don't want him again. I don't need to go back there.
I'm still making my point. Go back to Ikenna and settle with him before you take any decision.
Now you're gonna do. Are you not happy that a man as rich as Ezengwongwo wants to marry our daughter? If you're not happy, me, I'm happy. My daughter, come, congratulations.
Ezengwongwo in Indonesia.
With the big money, or the mellow cash, Ezengwongwo na Jakarta.
My son, we are here to thank you for taking my son to Indonesia without collecting a farthing from us. Nobody could have done that except you.
Ezengwongwo na Jakarta.
Oh, that is why we are here with these food items and palm wine, of course, to show appreciation for your kindness to my family and to say thank you so much.
Okay, Ichie. First, I would say thank you. Thank you for these items. I appreciate them, even though you shouldn't have bothered yourself. Yes, because what I did for you and what I do for other families, I do them because I love God, and I love my people. I want to develop our community. And the best way to do that is by empowering our own people, the youths, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm not doing it so that people will come and be thanking me. No, only God in heaven can repay me. And by the way, your son is doing very well in Indonesia.
Is that so?
Yes, Anabombo.
It's good news.
But Uncle, if he's doing so well, how come we've not heard from him?
Wow, a very good question. You see, let me tell you what always happens. Almost an hour down here. And I pick them and take them over to Indonesia. By the time they get there and I see the kind of good life that I expose them to. They don't want to come back home. Yes, they find it difficult to even call and know how people are doing. I don't know why. But I always instill it in them to remember home, no matter what they do. Look at me.
Yes.
You know, I always come back to know how
Certainly.
people are. Just how people are John Chief before I go back. I don't know why they do that. But I give you my word. Once I go back to Indonesia, I'll tell him to call you. Better still, he should come back home.
Oh, please do. We are very eager to hear from him. Please.
It's okay.
Ezengwongwo. Iyade.
Na Jakarta.
Iyade Okechi nature that wow.
It's all right. Let me tell you, Chief. If there is anybody at all in this world who will always take care of all our boys in Indonesia, that person is Ezengwongwo na Jakarta.
Ay mama kankan. O dole ewu na ọkụkọ anyị. Ezengwongwo in Indonesia. Iyade Okechi nature that wow. Oh yeah, Balo.
Papa Ngwongwo.
Oh, thank you so much.
It's all right.
We'll be going.
No, Ichie, relax. You can't come to my house and just rush out like that. My boys will give you food and drinks.
I've listened to you. I've heard you. And all you have said. But I have a question. Did my daughter here tell you that Ikenna paid her bride price before traveling to Indonesia?
Yes, Nai. I'm aware.
Okay.
But as we speak, unfortunately, Ikenna might be dead. If Ikenna is not dead right now, then he will be killed very soon. But that's not why I'm here. I'm here because I know that what I'm doing right now, before I even get there, Ikenna has been my good friend.
I know.
For many years. My childhood friend.
I know.
In fact, I took him to Indonesia, and I was taking care of him before, he went haywire. And like I said before, I'm not here because of what happened, I'm here because I know that Ikenna, God rest his soul, Ikenna will be proud of me for what I'm doing right now. Because I'm the only person who can take very good care of her. And I know that Ikenna would want me to do that. That's why I'm here.
It's all right. It's unfortunate Ikenna is facing such ugly situation.
Very unfortunate.
But all the same, before we can do anything or decide on anything, we must first of all go to Ikenna's family and return back the bride price she paid on my daughter. Before anything at all.
I understand that part very well. How much is the bride price? I can triple it. I'll give you the money right now. We send it to Ikenna's family. Okwebe.
Well, I know it's not going to be that easy. It's not as easy as you think.
All right, sir. I'll leave you to handle it yourself. On a brighter side now, so everybody needs money. I know you need money as well. Castro.
What?
Here with the video is one. The really here. Chebiko, take as much money as you want.
What for?
For you, right? You need money. Everybody needs money.
Thank you.
Take it.
That made it.
Yeah?
I appreciate it.
You say you don't want. Oh, sorry. I will do that on his behalf. What is it? Leave me alone now.
Mommy, no, don't worry. Take one more. $1. Well, $1.
Hey!
That's true.
International chairman with a big money or the mellow cash
No, there's any other issue.
You are a big man with a big money. Ezengwongwo is a big man.
You better return Ikenna's bride price to the father, so that my daughter will be free to marry any man that comes her way. How can my daughter be waiting for someone in the white man's land, in the prison? Waka's son that came back from Brazil told me confidently that anyone caught in that country with hard drug must be killed. My daughter will not continue to wait again. No. Not now that a man as rich as Ezengwongwo is seeking her hand in marriage. Banono.
Papa, please. I have waited for 5 solid years without hearing or seeing the man who calls himself my fiancé. A lot of suitors are coming for me even before Ezengwongwo came. I mean, it's high time I moved on. I cannot possibly be waiting for a man who is in jail and already has a white woman as his wife. I can't. Papa, I need to also get married and have my own kids. I need a man who loves me. I mean, I deserve to be happy. Please, I'm no longer interested in that man. Not at all.
That is why we came. Because a snake seen by one man is always as big as a python. This is 5 years. Your son came to my house and paid the bride price of my daughter. Ever since then, we've not seen him or heard anything from him. So, we are here to return the bride price he paid. Suddenly, an information came that he's in jail and about to be killed.
What? Ikenna, my son? That's a lie. Ababasi. Ha!
Oh yes. Tulsi is my niece and the only female barrister in our community. The only female barrister we have in our community. And she has been attracting suitors from all over the place, left and right. How can we continue to be waiting for somebody for how many years now? We will be waiting, nothing, all to
5 years, 5 years.
We are not accepting it. Our son left here alive and with his feet. He is coming back here alive.
You say, let me even ask you. So you want to take Kosi back from us? For your information, it is not possible. We have paid her dowry and that's it, she's our wife. What kind of nonsense is this? You're here telling me that she's the only female lawyer in your community. Who made her a lawyer? Who trained her to become a lawyer? What, is it not my son? Is it not my son that gave you the chieftaincy title, that gave you this cap that you're wearing? You better not say that you're returning rich dowry. Because no, you want to take away your daughter because you didn't see my son.
Oh, to Okechi. From today, we are no more in-laws. My daughter is no more your daughter-in-law. If you see my daughter and call my daughter your daughter-in-law, or call me your in-law again, hey, obodo ga-agbazu anyị.
When we figure me.
Ọ bụ na okpu anyị kpu na-enweghị iwe, nyego okpu ka ikpu. Ị chọrọ ikpu? Ị chọrọ ikpu? Nyego okpu.
Lotere ebe ikwu bụ ezi na onye ọzọ.
Ịchọkwula okpu nke.
Nwoke ji echebe.
Ịchọkwula okpu nke.
Kafiere n'ụpụọ.
Ụmụ itozu anyị ụmụ nwaanyị n'ime ụmụ.
Kafiere.
Ọ bụrụ nke nụtalụ di, jee kpọrọ ụmụ Honestly, man, cholo, open member the channel open bifa. It was family na chika nkunkulunye. Ndia mosu, baka kwa na be akwe komanse. Malana. Nwa mo nonga.
Mbanu, kezi obu no nonga no nya kai no lia.
Kebu no nya.
Onya.
Obu ni no nya kebu na bru.
Ekuti ni oburo nwere ebe ono. Onoria.
Nya na akweli.
Ikenna is not dead yet. Crying for a man that is alive is wishing him dead.
My son has been gone for over 5 years. And you keep telling me he's not dead. When if he's not dead, let me hear from him or at least see him. Stop telling me he's not dead. But if he's dead, tell me.
He will definitely come back. You will see him.
Man, it's not about definitely. You people bring back my son for me, or my only son. Bring back my son for me, or I talk for me, no alcohol, he's not dead. I'll do something. Mbobini, you will not do anything. Do something.
Obul nanya miliga pochete. Ngwa bebe.
Ogwan bebe.
Edebiko.
You solu bebe. Oh yeah, pochiatia. Makani solu ram bebe. We'll be able to bring him back. 2 of us. It's 1 for us.
All I know is that our son, Ikenna, will definitely come back. So stop crying.
Okay, where are you running, breathing so fast and so profusely?
See, Ebuka, can you see how I'm dressing? I'm dressed this way and I'm heading to Ezengwongwo's house to submit my own file among those that will be taken to Indonesia when next will be going back. You've not heard?
And you're not even afraid to go and submit your own name.
See me, why should I be afraid? When our mates are over there making money and you said I should be afraid? Now can I'm that thing, I beg.
Hi! Mom, wait. Have you asked yourself a question? What about those that has gone to that country since 5 years ago? They have not returned. 1, they don't even call their family members. Let more do anything reasonable with their life. And you are thinking of going to go and submit your name. Don't you think you should be sensible enough to wait for them to return first before you go and submit your own name? It's like a liga.
Semka, let me tell you. You cannot discourage me. Let me just say, you cannot even stop me. Because, see, you are just lazy. And for you being lazy, you think I'll be lazy like you. So, very soon you'll be calling me Ekenna. Got it?
Ha! Mom.
Hey! Jesus!
Hey! Ikenna is here! Hey! Ikenna! I'll give it back! Ikenna! Now, moto. Kezi moto.
Even like a moto, but I'm a moto. Huh?
Teach them. What they call the napa.
That was what happened. Ezengwongwo set me up. I was arrested and taken to the prison with 9 of my friends.
All through I was in the prison, he never visited. Rather, he made away with my 200 million naira. 200 million naira, my hard-earned money I left in his custody. He even paid Ndobodo, Umukolo, to kill me in the prison. But God saved me. My release was a miracle. I was deported. I came into the country 5 days ago with a friend of mine, Raymond. He kept me in his house in Lagos. He gave me money to get some clothes and transport myself down to this village.
So Ezengwongwo did all these things to you?
Mother, he did more than this. I will look for Ezengwongwo. I will look for him. He must give me every dime I left in his custody.
You don't have to look for him. He's already in this kingdom, making plans to pay your wife's bride price.
What? Whose wife?
Kosi.
Mother.
Huh? Oh, for Kosi now. It's the same Kosi we are talking about. Maziodo's daughter, Oburia. The same woman that you paid her bride price. The other day, her father came here with his kingsmen. They brought back the bride price you paid on her head. Oh, but trust your father. He refused to accept it.
That is not possible. How? Kosi, I know, cannot marry another man. It's not possible now.
Kosi you knew 5 years ago, it's not the same as today. Ezengwongwo has used money to brainwash her and her people.
No.
She cannot even accept to be your wife again. Even to look you in the face and call you her husband, she can't do it.
How? That is not possible. After making sure she became a lawyer, I'm even Jizoya, come with blue lawyer. Nobody will take her away from me. Ezengwongwo. Ezengwongwo. You want to look onye wani yama. Metal ka kurukela chana. Magwabogi Ezengwongwo. After taking my own money, he wants to marry my wife. Asi. Memegalo. Magwagi nene jero nyaveje.
Oh. Na Ezengwongwo amam na ego gi ka obu na ngwongwo we na.
Ego mu ko obu na.
Anu mpama. Ayi apenu ya.
Mmado wi abo.
Mbado.
Metal yo kurukela chana.
Ka nkatanya boko.
Darling.
Onye.
Nah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ikenna. When did you come back?
I came back yesterday. What of Kosi? Where is she?
Kosi. Kosi went out. She went out. She will be back soon.
Should you tell you where she went to?
She didn't.
Is it true what I heard that of course you want to get married to another man?
You will explain better.
So you're telling me that my merchandise ended up in the hands of law enforcement agencies all because of your mistake?
Listen, I'm telling you the truth. I don't know how it happened. I followed the right channel. You have to believe me, please. I need a second chance to make it up to you.
In this line of business, there is no room for a second chance, Oliver. You know that.
Ezengwongwo, Biko. Ezengwongwo, Biko. Ezengwongwo, please. Please, Ezengwongwo. Ah!
How are you?
Fine.
I want to see your boss.
My boss? Who I go tell and say the final?
Tell him say na Ikenna.
Ikenna? Wait till they come. What don't know, Oga? Oga?
The guy one man where they forget. Man, we not too brief like that. That's nothing to talk about. Say name Ikenna. Ife.
Ikenna.
You say Ikenna Mba.
Castro.
Yes, boss.
Check who's at the gate.
Eze, I thought you said Ikenna is dead.
Wanda, I learned that you are looking for my boss. How may I help you?
You cannot help me. Go in there and tell Ezengwongwo that Ikenna is here to see him.
It's unfortunate. He's not around now. You may drop him a message.
Tell Ezengwongwo that Ikenna from Jakarta came looking for him. Do you understand that? Tell him that.
Rubbish.
Madoka. He said he's not in at the moment. He's probably avoiding me.
Asiocha. Listen, let me tell you. Ezengwongwo that I know of could not have possibly gone out without his guards. Especially that one that came out and told that lies to you. That one, he's a thief. I know he's telling you lies. But don't worry, everything will be fine.
I will deal with Ezengwongwo. Ezengwongwo. Memi ibe bo kwa cho jave ina ina kuyeli sema ko na memi lugaro weba mba ike mba Ezengwongwo.
Hey Ike, you mean Ezengwongwo did all this to you in Indonesia? And people are singing his praise in and out of this kingdom.
Ezengwongwo magobo gikapu.
Hey!
People are singing praises of him simply because he's throwing my money around. Ezengwongwo made away with my 200 million naira. Egon talavu apata. My hard-earned money. Ntalavu. You see, Ezengwongwo, if you do not return my money and my wife, this village will not content the both of us. Memi alu. No na irala.
It's not 200 million.
200 million naira.
Hey! Alu. Okay, Gente, you have to act very, very fast. Do you know why? Ezengwongwo is planning to pay your wife's bride price on the next second market today.
As
one day, and I do not see anything stopping that from happening.
That will not happen. Nothing of such will happen. Hey. That will only happen when I'm not breathing anymore. I will deal with him. Ezengwongwo will give me my 200 million naira. If he fails to do that, ana goro chinti na Yesu mana mboso no slobiam mana pompa da no obodo mmemi ibe mmemi bo kwacho.
This man again.
Shoot me, that is what I want. Your head, hey, stop one please. Hey, Ezengwongwo, after taking my wife and my money, now you want to kill me. Kill me. Enough to if I tell you what I did in Jakarta, hey! He wants to kill me! Give me my money! Give me my money and my wife! Shoot me!
Come on, move it.
Move it. Nanya.
Cut up.
Shoot me, that is what I want. Your head.
Wait now, let me do this one. Keep this one.
Nani, I want my wife back. I'd rather die than to watch another man take my wife away from me.
Which wife? Is it the one in Indonesia or the one in Nigeria?
Oh, I see you point your mind against me. But that will not happen. Let me tell you something. You see my wife? I want my wife back. He cannot have my wife, not after running away with my money.
My son, relax yourself. Calm down. We'll find a way to settle this peacefully. Please, just calm down.
Settle what peacefully? Nani, settle what peacefully? When my wife is still with another man?
That's what I'm saying. Just relax yourself. We'll settle it. Relax.
Nani, if love no chanu jimwe, mujimi. Muji no kwa no chanu jimwe. That's we know what.
Go with your clothes. You're not afraid. If he decides to beat you, what will you do?
If Kakura.
And you're shouting at him. You're not afraid.
But one thing.
Yeah. You remember when we had to go hungry in this house because there was no money? Your boo. As I have entered this compound, you shall not depart from this compound. This is the way money kicked me about the streets of Istanbul.
Hey!
Mama, take. There is enough money for you. Take. There is not enough money for you. Papa.
I'll give him.
Papa, as you can see, your son has made money. Okay? I did not just come back to see you people, but also to invest. But before then, I need to put up a very big mansion in this village.
Hey!
But I need a site, a very strategic place that I can erect the kind of mansion I want to erect in this village. So that whoever sees it will know that your son, Tututego 1 in Istanbul, is back.
Hey! Obiora Nile! I knew you would be a great boy. Hey! Obiora, hey!
That is not a problem. It's not a problem. I have a very lovely plan. Strategically situated at the back of us house. I reserve that one for you.
Nine. You need to hear what he said. Oni no rifoku. O si no choro ilo. Elebele ejolo. Onye puta o mara na Obiora nwam abatago. Yes. O nwam ke teacher ikpoga na azolo. Mbakwa. What of the other one you have along the road that is very strategic? Why not give it to him? Wait, are you talking of the one in front of our first house? Yes. Mbani. It's not possible. That land belongs to my son as the first one.
Who is your son?
Is birthright now. Ikenna.
Who is your son?
In case you've forgotten.
Who is your son? Ne, we are talking about someone that is ready and stable financially. You put up your son that is not even ready to do anything in the next 10 years.
Let me tell you, the Fugania, nobody will go near that land. That land rightfully belongs to my son. Nonsense. I don't even know why you had to go and block Ezengwongwo's gate.
I will keep on blocking his gate until he gives me that money.
Now, if I am to advise, you need to be careful. Especially these days that troubles are coming left, right, and center. Biko, you know your father has handed over your land to your younger brother to build on.
Huh?
Your birthright.
It's now my father did what?
You heard me now. Maybe when he comes back with your brother, you will ask him.
Nobody will bid on that land. That is my inheritance. Nobody will bid on that land.
Nabian, come back. Come now, let me finish up.
Mama,
you're not wearing your shirt, oh. Yeah. Osinenu, Osinakuku, Osinani, Osiebenine, Kedi Yokolubifa. Even Job in the Bible, Ataluru Diafufu Anoma.
Obiora.
Okay, let me call you back.
Obiora, so you and your mother went to my father and requested for my Aniobi, my own birthright. And my father selfishly gave it to you. And you stupidly collected it. Knowing fully well it's mine. Why?
Ikenna, do you know the truth? When you talk, I sense frustration. Okay? Now tell me, of what use is a piece of land, empty piece of land, to a man who doesn't have money? Of what use is an empty plot of land to a man who doesn't have hope? Ikenna, you left this country before me and you came back practically empty-handed. Instead of you to be happy for me that I went there. You hear blabbing, talking rubbish.
Obiora nanya, arumna sompali. Obiora, arumna sompali. If I see your leg on that land, Obiora, Yagalanisi.
What's the meaning of
Come on, do you want to stop you? Obiora!
Take it easy before you enjoy yourself.
If you utter a word on Dr. Jeba now,
I know you've not fed well.
Can you imagine this, my boy?
I want this.
Yeah.
You're falling like this.
Obiora. Mma buga phone. Mma buga phone. Obiora.
Ikenna, you're gradually going mad though.
If I see your leg on that land, Yagala.
He is already mad. You are a madman. I don't put where you are. Go and sort yourself out. Go and sort out the level.
It's okay. It's okay.
Nani, giving out that piece of land that belongs to my son to his younger brother to build on, it is not right.
And what is not right about it?
So what is right about it? Well, what is not right about it is the fact that that land is my son's inheritance. Nani, how can you do such a thing? It was you a couple of years back that said that you could not wait for my son to come back from Indonesia and build a massive mansion on that piece of land, which is in a very strategic position in this town. Now you're going back on your own words. Why? Is it because my son doesn't have money? How do you explain that?
Listen, I made that statement because I wanted to see my dream come true. One, I want to see that place developed. I want that dream to come true while I'm still alive. Let the son that has money go and develop on that land. Ikenna does not have the money now.
Are you God? Are you God? Are you God to say who will have money tomorrow or not? Nanya, I'm really disappointed in you. Obviously, why?
But Ikenna doesn't have the money.
Yes. Man, I'm wicked and I'm back in Ata. Oh, look at it, if Ikenna doesn't have money. Now you will live to regret this, but I will not stay alive and watch anybody build on that piece of land. It is my son's inheritance, and so shall it remain. Nonsense.
Well, I have spoken, and so shall it be.
Me to have spoken, and so shall it be. Ichekolom. Oh, I get bidogo.
If you don't get them, disappear. Chai chai ewo akwane belego.
I think we need to get the Kingsmen and probably we're involved on this your father's ill decision to give out your birthright, that piece of land, to your younger brother to build up.
But I would want you to report to anybody. That land belongs to me. I will not spare anybody's life. Anybody who ventures into that land, I will keep that person.
Biko, it has not gotten to killing anybody. No life will be lost over the land. That is why I am saying we should get the Kingsmen and the Igwe involved so that they can intervene on your behalf. They will talk some sense into your father.
And what if he fails to adhere to their want?
I'm sure he will not. He will not. He will listen to them. And what a choice.
According to the tradition and custom of our land,
That land belongs to you. And nobody has any right to take it away from you as the first son of your father. Because his own father did not take his own Obi away from him and give it to another person. Anyway, I will talk to him, and I'm sure that he will listen to me.
Nah, you better do. He always listens to you. Like I got
Of course, I will talk to him. But you people have to inform Chief Omeke of this situation because he's the oldest man in this kingdom.
Of course, Nani. We've already spoken to him. He's aware of the situation and he too has promised to speak to his father.
Nani, thank you very much. Thank you for your concern and attention. I appreciate it. Uncle, that piece of land is my birthright. And I will not allow my father give it to my younger brother Obiora. If I should allow that, that means Obiora is now my father's first son. And you know what that means.
Nani, Biko, all we are asking is that his father leaves that piece of land that is his entitlement as the first son of the family. That land should be left for Ikenna. He can choose any other land and hand over to Obiora to build on. Eh? Okay, fine now, yo. Ha. Oh.
I am surprised that Chief Mba of all people wants to give his Aniobi that normally belongs to the first sons to his second son. Your husband is not only my brother, but my best friend. Anyway, not to worry. Relax. Don't bother yourself. I will talk to him. And I am sure he will listen to me the way he has always listened to me. Eh? Relax your mind.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Darling, if you have your support,
No problem. Ikenna.
Nai, I heard that the meeting concerning the land my father wants to give me is taking place tomorrow at Chief Omeke's compound. This is 200,000 naira. And if finally the land becomes mine, more of this will keep coming your way.
Obiora, I will not be a party to that. I am a man of integrity. A thief in a stitch brings trash in a track. You can't track me. I'm a man of integrity. I don't need your money. Go back.
Now, are you sure this is what you want to do?
What do you want me to do?
Okay, I've heard you.
Good.
Something I'll show you that you regret the decision you just made this
No problem, Obiora. I've heard you.
Don't deceive yourself. Money can rule the world. If you get them, you are there. If you don't get them, disappear. Chai chai ewo, akwane belego. Na money mata, obuzi makego. Chai chai ewo, life without owo na wow. Na so far, obuzi makego wa. Chai chai ewo, akwane belego.
Hi. Oh, Mother, I did not notice your presence.
How would you notice my presence? How would you? Eh? When you're just thinking and trying to kill yourself with bad thoughts.
What do you expect me to do? Tell me. My wife is about to be married to Ezengwongwo. My kid brother is doing everything to take my inheritance away from me. Simply because I did not come back with money.
But at least you came back with your life. I don't care if you did not come back with money or anything. The important thing is that you're here. Your life is the most important thing to anyone now.
Life works nothing to me. Because one of the things I cherish so much in life is being taken away from me.
So what do you intend to do? Sit down here and think yourself to death? Or get up and fight for what rightfully belongs to you? Which one do you want to do? Listen to me. Listen! I did not give birth to a chicken. I gave birth to a lion. So I expect you to go out there and fight for what belongs to you. Get up and fight! Opposite boy! He can near! I won't mellow. I'll have to come in for. Hi!
Ezengwongwo. Ezengwongwo.
You mean your father is now relegating your position as the first son? Simply because he's not come back from Indonesia with money. Just like Ezengwongwo. But see, Ike, this means you have two major problems to tackle. Serious ones, so. But I suggest you first of all tackle that of Ezengwongwo. Stop him from taking your wife. Do you understand me? And thereafter, you tackle that of your kid brother, Obiora. The land dispute.
Ebuka, I have a plan.
Okay.
And you must help me.
Chalokwa, you have a plan, and the Moa, Ebuka, must help you. How? It was. It's in Okbam.
Hey, I'm so excited. Okay, buddy. Welcome. Ezengwongwo. Thank you. Ndogo nano. Ekenemun. Ekenemun. Dalun. Ndeba dalun no. No. My in-law. My daughter will soon come out. Mama ga puta. Ki faji makia. Bia bidozienu. Akoto akode. So she'll soon be here.
I did not do anything, no. I did not do anything, no. Mama, Muna Ezengwongwo emekwa.
You people, officer, you should at least tell me what offense my son has committed and where.
That boy Ikenna is a criminal. I'm telling you, he's a hardened criminal. Robin Shakoni is using Indonesia. I'm telling you, he's been in prison in Indonesia. I keep asking myself, is this what I get for helping that boy? Huh? You won't believe that stupid boy sent dogs to disrupt my marriage introduction. And now boy were everywhere, and now boy they even hurt some people in the process. Can you imagine this? Can't even met this boy. I've been good to him. What did I do to him? DPO, now that he's in your custody, I'll tell you what I want. Let him remain there. I don't want him to see daylight ever again. In the deepest, darkest part of your prison, put him there. You're not in a cell. You're put that one again. That's all I ask. Pico.
Okay, Chief. We are still actually investigating the matter. And from the information and facts we've gathered so far, I can assure you, he will remain here. Good. Then the second assurance I'm giving you is that none of his relations will be allowed to see him.
Thank you.
Okay?
Exactly, I can assure you. Exactly what I want to hear. Thank you. Another thing is, no matter the evidence you find, whether the evidence is for him or against him, push everything to be against him. Remember, let him remain there. Etiko, then this is for fuel and drink for you and your boys.
Chief, is this not too much?
Mama, you people will work very hard now. Okay. Work very hard. I appreciate all you do. It's not too much. If you finish this money, just call me on the phone. Some Ezengwongwo na Jakarta. I want to go see the line.
Chief. You can trust me to do your bid.
Most important. If you, most important.
Consider it done. All right, Chief.
DPO, it's over 4 days now since my son was arrested and detained here. We've been making efforts to see him, but we've not been allowed. At the counter, they tell us that the case was still being investigated. And for that reason, we will not be allowed to see him. Please, allow us to see him. Please.
Okay. I will allow you to see your son. But certainly cannot grant him bail now. The case is still under investigation. You know, it's a case of firearm. And that is primarily the main reason why we don't allow him to see people. But I shall grant you access to see him, okay?
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, sir. I'm grateful. Thank you.
My dear, now that Ikenna has scattered the first phase of the marriage rites, what next?
Ikenna didn't scuttle anything. The marriage rights will still hold. Ikenna is too small to spoil my plans. Just came there and made a little noise. Rubbish. Everything will still hold. Ikenna is in police custody right now. He will remain there until we're done with the marriage rights.
I honestly can't wait for that to happen. I mean, I regret ever knowing that fool. All he has ever done is to cause me pain.
He will never cause you pain again. You know why? Ezengwongwo, Jakarta.
I know, I believe you.
Cha! How are you? Can I see the file? The murderer, Okoye, that Okoye man. The rapist.
Oh, okay.
You gave me the suspect in cell 2. So, you see what I'm trying to tell you, you see? We are about to prosecute him, like take him to court, or better say transfer him to Zone 9. We can't just keep him here because he's fast going beyond us. Okay?
I thought it's something you would have handled.
No, honestly, it has gone beyond me presently. I must tell you because
we have done this thing before for me, so why now? Ikenna! I do now. He's my good friend. What are you doing here? Can you remember?
Alright then,
I beg. What's this up? Ikenna. It's not getting put together. Thank you very much. I do appreciate the gesture.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
But, mister, you really need to start a trouble.
No, for sure. I assure you that. He will. He will. He will. Thank you. Thank you once again.
All right.
Okay. See you some other time.
See, look, Tego. You don't have to doubt our services. See, when it comes to cement in this village, me, Nana Cement, we have upper hand in this village and the small villages around. we have upper hand. I'm about number one. Let me tell you, there is meant for foundation, there is meant for decking, there is meant for parapet, and there is meant for plastering. Okay. Because of this kind of plan you just showed me now, I bet a foundation again. What you need is Ibeto. So after foundation, you can use any other cement and do your bricklaying. After that, you want a decking, you use Ibeto. After decking, you do parapet, you use Ibeto. Or one a plastering, a return not Ibeto. So that is what I will supply. I 600 bags. Don't worry. Ibeto 600 bags. When
you're done with this, I'll give you more cash to buy more.
Nega ngwa cement Ibeto ka eji kpuo okwute ji tugbuo ndị Jew ji tugbuo Steven. Noria na akwụkwọ nsọ. 600 bags I ebutere gị straight. Don't worry.
600 bags. 600 bags ọ ga-alụ nọ na nim.
On the other park block.
No, I want to.
Biko, you know you just came back from the police station.
On the other park block.
Chelo. The 600 bags on an nim.
Age where work with cement to be.
Oh, you want to put on the park block? Oh, Mozu. Oh, you boom block. You tell me I'm mad at all. Who na really?
Nine, good morning.
Morning. When did you come out from
Nine, that is not why I'm here. Nine, I heard that you people have decided to give my younger brother my land to bid on. Why?
Ikenna, your father promised to give you another land whenever you are ready to build. I will suggest you allow your brother to build in that land. I will personally make sure your father gives you another place that is good as that place whenever you are ready to build. He said he wants to be alive and see a building on that land. And relax. I know you will make it. Don't worry. One family. Inugo, where are you?
If you don't get them, disappear. Chai, ewo. Na money mata.
What?
Who are you looking for?
I'm looking for Chief Ray.
Chief Ray. Is there a way that you are coming?
Yes. Tell him Ikenna.
Ikenna? Are you sure it's a way that you are coming? Stop there. Wait.
Ikenna, my guy. Ikenna, you're welcome. Now, once again, you're welcome. Once more, you're welcome.
Ray,
Ikenna,
please, don't tell me you're the owner of this house. The car's outside.
Ikenna, my guy. Of course, yes. And I still have other ones within and outside the state.
How? No, Raymond, you and I were deported the same day. We were in prison together. We came back to Nigeria the same day.
Yes.
So how come about this wealth? I want to know. How come?
Ikenna, we'll talk about my business later. Please, let's have a drink.
You can't tell me that. I have a pressing issue. My brother, my life is upside down. Let me tell you what is going on with me now. My wife I married with my money before I traveled to Indonesia is about to get married to Ezengwongwo. Ezengwongwo, you know, that ran away with my money. As if that is not enough. My younger brother wants to take my birthright. The land that is rightfully mine, simply because I did not make money or I didn't come back with money, my father wants to give it to my younger brother to build on. So, do you see what I'm passing through? One name, you know me. You know, remember a one dumb moment in my life. You know me way back in Indonesia. Then I got negative baby.
Ikenna, we'll go my business. We'll talk about my business later. Let's have a drink. You just came to my house. Nadai. We'll go my adai. No problem.
Raymond,
where is the Biara Maroc?
Life without money, it was past that you go see many things, you not go believe, don't deceive yourself. Money they rule the world. If you get them, you are there. If you don't get them, disappear. Chai chai ewo, akwane belego, na money mata, obozi makego wa. Chai chai ewo, life without owo na wa, na so far.
Raymond, my mind is made up. I am ready to follow you to meet your business partners.
That is good.
Can I even follow? If I'm gonna be if you need them 30, me for 99. If you have, me for 99.
Where are we waiting for them? Let's hit the road.
What's go?
Kaiwa.
Tomorrow.
Okay, this way.
Obozi makego wa. Obozi makego wa.
Having performed the first ritual, the shrine of this man, and it will grant all your requests.
Is why I'm really not about Okute. Mother of all. I know nobody comes to you and go back empty-handed. We are grateful. Ekene.
I hope you have explained everything to him.
Yes, I did.
What else? I thought the shrine have accepted me. If you go to Buembe go kantawa, se Buemike. Buyan Mike can see ba waba. Iba. Ah! Ass! Many rap. I can't do that.
One day I got pack a block.
Chelu. The 600 bags on an him.
Take this apple and give to your mother to eat. And when she eats it and die, your money will start flowing like this river. Ego kana poto.
Ego gena so as na so poto. All you need to do is calm down. Simply follow this instruction that Ezengwongwo gave you, and all will be well with you.
Raymond, what are you talking about? Killing my mother is what you call sin. How is that possible? See, Raymond, I am not ready to kill my mother. If there's any other thing they want me to do, no problem, I can do that. But killing my mother, that is out of the game. Even I know this is going to get to this point, I wouldn't have ventured into this at the first place.
Ikenna, it's too late to go back. And you have already kissed the feet of Ezengwongwo. It's either you do it or you die. This is what you should do and contend with Ezengwongwo and your brother. Remember, and show them that he that went to bed with an itching anus must surely wake up with a smelling finger.
You see, what I'm saying, Raymond, is this. I cannot kill my mother. If I kill my mother, who will enjoy the wealth with me? I cannot do that.
Ikenna, if I should tell you what I went through to be this rich, you will be shedding tears.
Ezekisi, you didn't tell me you were going to stay out days at your friend's house.
I'm sorry, something came up. I had to stay back.
How are you? I'm fine. Just worried now. You must be hungry. Now go inside. Let me finish with this, eh? I'll prepare something for you to eat. Went well.
You don't go believe, oh. Don't deceive yourself. Oh. Money they rule the world. If you get them, you are there. If you don't get them, disappear. Chai, ewo. Akwane belego. Na money mata. Obozi makego wa. Chai, ewo. Life without owo na wa. Na so far. Obozi makego wa. Chai, ewo. Akwane belego. Na money mata. Obozi makego wa. Chai, ewo. Life without owo na wa. Na so.
Mama Obiora, good morning.
Good morning, Ikenna. This one you remember to greet me today.
Mama, why are you sounding like this?
Oh.
That I had little misunderstanding with my brother doesn't mean you're not my mother. Yeah, I should have called you that respect. We are family. We shouldn't be quarreling now. See, Obiora can go and build in that piece of land. I don't have issues with it. Since my father said whenever I'm ready, he's going to give me another one. Let Obiora build on that one. That's why I had the Naka one and no brother Balabu.
Thank God though. Thank God you've now realized Obiora is your younger brother and you are his elder brother. You're supposed to watch his back and not be making troubles with him.
No, I'm not making any trouble again. I came back from the city this morning, so I looked for you wearing a rand. I bought you apple, so I decided to bring it for you.
Oh, yeah. Apple. It's been a long time I ate apple and I love it.
You love apple?
Yes.
I know you love it, that's why I brought it for you.
Hey!
Let me allow you enjoy your apple.
Thank you. Oh, Dalu, no. Hey. This one is sweet.
What is it? K4? Nothing.
Are you okay?
I have an appointment.
Take it easy, oh.
See, Ikenna, there's nothing I can do to help you. You already have covenant with Ezengwongwo. It's either you give that apple to your mother to eat or you die. And remember, you only have one day to do that.
I cannot do that. I cannot kill my mother. There's nothing on earth that will make me to kill my mother. If I kill my mother, who will enjoy the world with me? I cannot kill my mother. There must be a way out.
Then take it to her yourself, because I can't do that. Take it to her yourself.
Raymond,
I told you, I cannot help you.
Don't deceive yourself. Money they rule the world. If you get them, you are there. If you don't get them,
so Papa, that is it. This is the woman I want to marry.
You say she's the daughter of Chief Odo.
Chief Odo now? Chief Odo, that Ikenna wanted to marry his daughter, but Ezengwongwo.
Hey, Mobior. There are things I cannot take. As far as I'm concerned, she is still my wife. Nobody can take her away from me. Obior, I want to ask you a question. You want to marry from the family I married from? Emaka. Obior. Instead of you to join forces with me and fight Ezengwongwo to bring my wife back, you want to marry from the family I married from. Obior. I'm going to remember my wagon. Now, I want to clean up more. We are the one yellow. I'm not going to today.
Mama, it's okay. Leave him, he's already frustrated.
Can you imagine?
So, Papa, what I say?
opposite my kegoma.
Ma okwe funa mwaye.
deceive yourself. Money they rule the world. If you get them, you are there. If you don't get them, disappear. Chai chai ewo, akwane belego, na money mata, obuzi makego wa. Chai chai.
You mean the only way my mother will not die is for me to sacrifice my mouth?
Yes.
I am ready.
Then take this apple and eat. By tomorrow morning, your money will be flowing like this river. It will be flowing like this river. Now, so poto poto. Now, so poto poto.
Ezengwongwo, you mean if I eat this apple, egom me bute, yejina so poto poto kamili nwa?
Yes.
Bam. Yejina so poto poto kamili nwa na na anyi.
Bam.
Na so poto poto ko ove.
Ko
ove. Odi ve na esu na so ve.
Bam.
Rapu amuni ibe mu. Raymond, what are you talking about? Well, how do you mean you can't hear me? Do you want me to start shouting? I've done everything they asked me to do. I've sacrificed my manhood. I sacrificed my entire generation. I thought by now Nega Kasugo, Kambulike. What's more if the day falls?
Ikenna. Ikenna is again.
Nothing. I was telling my friend about the movie I watched.
Ikenna, I heard you if I brought a movie. Ikenna, you sacrificed your manhood.
Wow.
Wait. You sacrificed my grandchildren.
I did not do that.
Ikenna,
I was only explaining one thing.
Ikenna, I have been the one carrying you. Have I ever complained? Ikenna, Pesalo. Ikenna, Chibum. Ikenna, no.
What is it? Okay. Kerio. What is it? What is it? Talk to me. No. Hey, Papa! Hey. Papa, come. What is it? Hey, don't do this, man. Mother. Okay, I will tell you everything because I don't know. Papa, be good. Mother, please, don't do it.
I don't want anything to happen to you. What is it now?
I'm deeply sorry for the loss of your mother. She was a great woman, very kind-hearted, loved by almost everybody in this kingdom. But death chose to snatch her away from the surface of this earth.
Thank you very much. I'll be traveling to Holland in a few weeks. A friend of mine volunteered to help me, and I don't want to miss this opportunity. I need to go and hustle.
But Ike, you say you're traveling to Holland. They just buried your mother a few days ago. Don't you think you still need about 1 more week to mourn your mother before going to anywhere?
I cannot sit back to mourn my mother when everybody wants what belongs to me. They want to take my birthright. I need to go and hustle. Kanjebuti Ikenna. Abaraka chivana talo.
Ike, you're right. You're right there. But wait though, Ike, I hope you don't go there and spend another 5 years like you did the other time you went to Indonesia.
I'll be back soon. Very soon.
This was the exact thing you told me the last time you traveled to Indonesia. But you spent 5 whole years without even calling me.
My brother was in prison. I promise you, I'll be back before the month runs out.
1 month. Well, it's okay. You have my support. Eh? I wish you all the best, my brother. I wish you good luck wherever you go.
Thank you.
I always know that I'm with you. And I pray that things get better for you so that at least you come
Things
back.
will be better. I don't need a suicide to tell me. You are the man. I told my father that I'm traveling to Holland, just like you told me to tell them.
That is good.
So there's no way anybody will suspect I caused my mother's death. No way. I believe that nobody will ever trace my money or know how I made my money.
That is good of you. Just get ready to swim in the ocean of wealth.
My brother, I cannot wait. I can't wait to start counting.
You already there, my brother. You already now. Now.
I want to answer a name.
A name?
And I want you to be the first to call me that name.
And what name is that?
Ojiaku Ebunchi 1.
Ojiaku Ebunchi.
That's the name I want to answer. Actually, maybe I'm the mother Italy. Actually, Michi Ezengwongwo no nane.
Ojiaku Ebunchi 1.
Iye jine tumu di ava tugeni ovun tukanwe.
Ojiaku Ebunchi 1. Ojiaku Ebunchi 1. Ojiaku Ebunchi.
Ebu Ezengwongwo. Mani ani. Meji egwosen eji mama de egwosen.
You're already there, my brother.
Rap one. Long life, my brother.
Hi, baby. Good afternoon. Baby, guess what?
What?
You have not noticed any change in me?
Well, apart from the fact that since you moved in with me, you've been adding weight in the right places, of course.
You're right, baby. Yes, but that's not it.
Okay.
I'll tell you. Okay. I am pregnant!
Are you serious?
Yes. I'm Oh. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
My boss says I should bring this money to you in line with the preparation of the traditional marriage, especially now that Kosi is pregnant.
Eh? Kosi, you are pregnant.
Hey. This time around, there must be adequate security.
Thank you.
So no cause for now.
Well, it's okay, it's okay. Tell your guy, your boss, Ezengwongwo, whatever he's planning, let him be fast about it. There's no time to waste. I mean, we're okay with everything.
The money not the finish you, it is a big
that I'm alive today to see you. So, no give me a rezetu and you want the zetu. Eh? Hey, near the good.
I want you to know that what you just saw outside, the cars, are little to compare to what is coming in. Yes, Nam.
Hey.
And I also want you to take a title. Yes, I want you to take a title. If it's possible to take the title of Ono, I've gotten all the money. Ego dokbu adokbu, ego mapu. Yeah, Lavola. What I'm saying is this: I want you to take a title.
I will.
I've informed all my friends, and also paid some good musicians to come and play on that day. People like Flavor, people like Umu Obli, people like Moroko Madoka. They will be around that day. Then after yours, Mwemeze my own official. Ojiaku Ebunchi 1 na ni Bonime.
Ojiaku Ebunchi 1 na ni Bonime.
Tukwesimi.
Ojiakwu egbu nchiwan na ndị Igbo niile.
Oko.
It shall be well with you, my son.
Uncle is not it shall be well with you. It shall be river or ocean with me. I can go well. Millie well not dry. In a walk it shall be well. It shall be river with me. Go can.
It shall be river with you.
Oh, you know.
My son, Ikenna.
You are one man in this village that I respect so much. You know why? You always stand for truth and justice. You stood by me when everybody deserted me. You kept on saying the truth. I want you to know that I am back and better. Melimalugu, Asokonu.
Oh, God.
That is why I've come to tell you of the good news.
My son, my happiness is that your status have changed. But the possibility of you recovering that land is hard because your brother have already started building on that land. So what do we do?
Each year, others know who. Calm your nerves. Allow me worry for that.
Okay.
I don't want to give okay. And then you, and when my bonnet is no, where we will see a chingo.
Oh, God.
Come melody beddy. You don't need to be scared. Today is your birthday. Unplanned. I have to celebrate it for you. My attack, I'm going to attack. From today, birthday day, but I want you to call my name. Ojiakwu Ebunchi 1.
Ojiakwu Ebunchi 1 na ala Igbo.
Tukwesi.
Ojiakwu Ebunchi 1 na ala Igbo.
Enjoy. Today is your birthday.
Ojiakwu Ebunchi 1. Ojiakwu Ebunchi.
Enjoy. Today is your birthday. I'm name Otaronwa.
Ojiakwu Ebunchi.
Today I will be your son.
Ojiakwu Ebunchi. Okay, Mong.
Ego kalele na boot.
Okay, Mong na ala Igbo.
Ego kalele.
Okay, Mong na ala Igbo. Ijele.
Your birthday today.
Ana afrokono ko Mong kwada. Ana afrokono ko Mong kwada. Hey. Oh, give me him, Mamo. Is this you? You mean not more than 1 month you spent in Holland and you came back looking this rich?
Yes, my brother, I have enough of it in my house in the city.
Wait. You mean you have a house in the city and even more cars? Ah, no chair, no montio. Hey! Ike!
Ebuka, I will prefer you call me Ojiakwu Ebunchi 1 in Amsterdam.
Ojiakwu Ebunchi 1 na Amsterdam. Odogwu. Ojiakwu Ebunchi 1 na Amsterdam. Odogwu.
I remember ever since you were born, you've not celebrated your birthday. Me, my birthday. Go and call your friends in the village. Call your frenemies. Tell them that I'm back. Celebrate your birthday, my brother.
Hey!
Your man is back.
Look.
Ojiakwu Ebunchi 1.
Ojiakwu Ebunchi 1 Odogwu.
Call your friends and celebrate your birthday.
Ojiakwu Ebunchi 1 Odogwu.
Call your frenemies. Call your friends and celebrate your birthday. Onwe na-aga visia na Ojiakwu Ebunchi bịara. Onwe na-abịa, tell the person Ojiakwu Ebunchi. Now I beg you. The Igwe said that my father must be accompanied by some of the chiefs for him to express his request. That is why I summoned you, to make sure that my father's request is granted. If that happens, I will give each and every one of you 1 million. Oshalokwan, after my father started to move and women came on official. Imagine Katan we bunyu ne go no na yeje ekpo ego na.
Echigo ya ogabana. Chefuzie nke na ade ya buru na echigo ya. Ogabana echigo ya.
Agbakwo dikizu tuo ni ya baka ma na echigo.
Agbakwo dikizu. Agbakwo dikizu.
Please, Kebulanga Abu Millionaire. Please, it's not a bunch. What of the land dispute between you and your brother? What do you do?
Ichiarum na sompale. The land in question is mine. So I don't see any reason why you're discussing it. When I'm ready to take my land in William Made, I'm running out. Let's talk about my father. One of me. Let us drink. I have about a carton of it in my car. If you are going, I will tell my boys you bring a gift. Bulu.
Ikenna, you shouldn't have stopped work here now. Shouldn't have told them to stop working. Shouldn't have sent them out. I tried reaching you, but you weren't picking any of my calls. Even the messages I sent, you never replied any of them. I've already started building here. Allow me finish it. Okay? You already have enough money now to buy land any part of this village that you want to. I can even support you if you want.
Yes, sir. You can even support who? Now you're begging me. I shouldn't have stopped them from working. This land belongs to me. It's my birthright. When you came back to the village, with nobody's in. Did you realize that I'm your elder brother? No. Rather, you did what? You went to my father, told him to give you my own birthright, my own land to bid on. All I'm asking you is this. If I see you put one more block on this house, you go to give up
Ikenna, it hasn't gotten to that. Remember, we're still brothers, though, irrespective of whatever thing that must have transpired between us.
Oh, now you know you're my brother. Now you know you're my brother. When things were rough for me in this village, what did you do? Did you realize I'm your elder brother? I was your elder brother. Did you realize that? If you put one more block on this house in the Sigala,
This door as easy as it is, my brother.
Don't worry. I know what to do. Moreover, he's still my brother. No matter what happens, I'll find a way to sort it out with him.
I am here to take my wife that I paid a bride price in peace. Or Lex, you want us to do into pieces.
Ikenna, first of all, I have to welcome you.
Hey! Nanyoka, welcome. Oga, my name is Ojiaku Ebunchi, in case if you don't know. If you want me to tell you the meaning of my name, I will tell you the meaning in full. Where is my wife that I paid a bride price? Go inside and bring her. And what am I saying? When I get what name? Greeting.
Ikenna, please, I'm very sorry. She's living with another man, with Ezengwongwo.
What did you just say? You see, by evening, if my wife is not here, I will make you shed tears. And it will be very bad that my in-laws are shedding tears. I give you till evening. If I don't see my wife, Wagoku. Ezengwongwo, you think you can run away with my money and hide?
Ikenna, you're a very stupid boy. And a very ungrateful monkey. Yes, I took that money. And I will not give it to you because it's my money. Everything you have and everything you will ever make, all of it belong to me. I made you. What were you doing in this village? Nothing. I came down here, took pity on you, and I took you to Indonesia with my money. Gave you a roof over your head, fed you. And what did I get in return? You went behind my back and stole my business.
What business? A business I executed with my money. Did I beg you for money? Ezengwongwo, I want my money now.
Talk about money in front of me again and you will die this minute.
You want us to pull HIT on ourselves? It's on HIT. If it was Lingwalu, guys, can one ever. You heard everything Ezengwongwo said in my house before my father.
Yes. Ike, and that's why we must move on with our plans without any form of delay.
As na ebo mmadụ zo siri te ebe ozo nwa kpọmkpọ ite. Tuo mava. Tuo mo ojiakwu egbu nchi.
Ojiakwu egbu nchi 1 odogwu.
Tuo.
Ojiakwu egbu nchi 1 odogwu.
2 wesi.
Ojiakwu egbu nchi 1 odogwu.
2.
Ojiakwu egbu nchi 1 odogwu.
Hello, mbabu ni nessa cigar. You smoked that year, yeah?
Listen,
I want you to continue smoking. Sevele mo cigar. Ne tu mava, ne tu.
Ojiakwu egbu nchi 1 odogwu.
Ne tu mava.
Ojiakwu egbu nchi 1 odogwu.
Ewo. Ne tu mava, ne tu gegi.
Ojiakwu egbu nchi 1 odogwu.
Ne tu mava.
Ojiakwu egbu nchi 1 odogwu.
I want you to buy cartons of cigarettes, 7. Eh? If you have kidney problem, I'm going to make you a looking odogwu. 7 cigar. Actually, I'm going to kidney over. Nkine use maybe go.
Ike. Ojiakwu egbu nchi 1 odogwu.
Ne tu mava.
Ojiakwu egbu nchi 1 odogwu. Kai!
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Yes. Ezengwongwo na Jakarta speaking. What? Castro.
Yes, boss.
Ikenna just burnt down one of my clubhouses.
What? After kidnapping Kosi? Shit!
That's hundreds of millions down the drain. Put a call through to the goons. Tell them I want to see all of them here now. The war has just started.
Ikenna, you? Please, do not kill me, please. Don't, please.
You and I know I cannot do that. I cannot. I cannot possibly kill somebody I love so much with all my heart. It hasn't gotten to that. I want you to relax your mind. Don't be scared of anything or anybody. You're in your husband's house.
No, please. You just have to let me go. I've gone too far to return to you. You just have to let me go, please.
Boys, make sure she's well taken care of. Give her everything that she wants, alright?
Right.
I'll have a lot to talk about when I come back.
You're leaving? Please don't go. Please, I need to leave. Ikenna, please, I want to go. Please don't go. I want to go.
Please now, do something. It's my daughter, please. What did you do this time? Can't we do something?
I understand. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
No,
it's okay. Ezengwongwo promised that he'll bring her back today. So let's just wait for him and stop crying.
No, you have to do something. Hey, Nai, whatever he's doing does not stop us from reporting the case to the police.
I know. Like I said, Ezengwongwo promised that he will must bring her back today. So let's just wait for him. We report to the police.
No, you must do something. You must do something. You must do something, please. Nai, no. Nai, please, now. Hey, come on.
Ikenna kidnapped my pregnant wife-to-be and burnt down one of my clubhouses. You guys have never failed me. Before the end of today, I want Ikenna dead and my beautiful fiancée brought back to me, safe and sound.
The boss, no, never failed you. I will not fail this time.
Boss, consider it done.
Boss, it's settled.
Boys, leave us. You see, I know Ezengwongwo must have fed you with a whole lot of lies and jargons about me into making you to marry him. But I'm not surprised. Because I remember vividly back in Indonesia where he told me that his dream was to marry a lawyer who will help him to cover his atrocities. But I never knew he was coming for mine. Kosi, how could you forget everything that we shared together before I traveled?
You still remember everything we shared? Yet you traveled to Indonesia, got married to another woman. You never called. You never cared. Is that right?
Kosi, I will give up on if I tell you what boys do outside, all in the name of survival, you will shed tears. See, nothing has really changed about how I feel about you. I have a lot to unfold.
I also have a lot to tell you. A whole lot.
Boss, I don't know if your parents are still alive. Because those boys almost pulled down the sky when they came to kidnap your parents. And the news making round now is that your brother, Ikenna, kidnapped Ezengwongwo's wife. And in retaliation, Ezengwongwo now sent his boys to come and kidnap you.
Hold on. His number is ringing.
Ezengwongwo, listen and listen attentively. Ezengwongwo, my parents do not have anything whatsoever to do with what is going on between you and Ikenna. So please, I want my parents released now. Ezengwongwo, you don't know what I'm capable of. Ezengwongwo, this is Tututego 1 in Istanbul talking to you. Don't push me, because when you push me, I'll bounce back. And when I'll bounce back, Ezengwongwo, I will crush you. Listen, if I don't see them by the end of today, I promise you, Ezengwongwo, I promise you, I will make this town too hot to contain the both of us.
You stupid boy. You have no idea who you're messing with. You have no idea why I'm called Ezengwongwo na Jakarta. I will crush you like a cockroach.
Ezengwongwo dropped the call on me. Ezengwongwo, you don't know what I'm capable of. Ezengwongwo.
Let's go and track him, boss. Jakwe Munch. I think it is about time we take this matter to the shrine of Ezengwongwo. Let her finish these people once and for all. Why are you wasting time?
Chief Ray, see, this is not a spiritual battle. It's a physical battle. I have made money. I have the power to fight whosoever I want to fight now. Do you understand that? Rap lumo. Nana go no chinti na yesu man ho so no so be man pampa wo.
But look, it's a slap on your face. I wonder what is giving these people the guts to challenge you.
Obusu na ike di na wine. Odogwu na odogwu suo iru. Amalo yen ki ibie. Don't worry yourself. I will deal with them accordingly. Nwabueze agba. Nwabueze. Believe me.
You say so.
As no ebu madu zo bu ite bu kwane zo wan pompu ite.
My boys will come here with the phone. You will speak to your son. Tell him to return my fiancée safe and sound today. Else, by 12 midnight, I will shoot both of you in the head.
Please. My son, please, release me. I'm an Ichie. I have no hands in this.
Nanyozko.
Ezengwongwo, bring the phone. We'll talk to him. Enugo.
Biko, don't kill us.
Baby! 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 You're fine! Get out! Get away!
Papa, it is time for you to go to Ikenna's house and find out if he truly abducted your daughter. We cannot sit here and fold our hands while your daughter, my sister, whose traditional marriage is tomorrow, is nowhere to be found. Mama Ikwogini.
It's true. Ezokun.
It's all right. I think you're right. There's no point waiting here until something stupid and awful happens to my daughter.
God forbid.
To fear what? Nothing will happen to my daughter.
I think you're right. I have to go to Ikenna's house. I'm quite sure she'll be there.
Let's go.
Okay, I'm coming.
Ifeoma, take care of the house.
I will, Mama.
I'm tired of this situation.
My in-laws, once again, you're welcome to my home level. Can you please get them something to drink?
No, it's okay. It's okay. We are full already. Please, let me go straight to the point. Please, we are here to pick our daughter Kosi back to the house. Her traditional marriage is tomorrow to Ezengwongwo. And we have already put things together. We just want to conclude one or two things.
My in-law, I don't understand you. What are you talking about? I thought money was the problem. I thought because I was wretched, I was poor, that was why you denied me the access to my wife. Now I have made money. So tell me, what is the problem again?
Papa, you heard him. He paid my bride price before he traveled. The only reason I agreed to be with Ezengwongwo was because he told me that my husband is in jail and possibly he's going to die there. You please allow me to be with my husband. Please.
Hey, I understand. But you cannot be with him carrying another man's child.
In-law, whatever side you are, what are you talking about? By the tradition and customs of this land, Kosi is my wife. I married her. I paid her bride price. So automatically, the child in her womb belongs to me.
I know, I understand everything you're saying. It's just that it is too late now. Because we have made every preparation, we've made every arrangement. In fact, we have invited people from far and near. They have even started arriving. It is late, we cannot change the date.
Money can change anything, my in-law. Ojego Wemba. See what will happen is this. Write their names down. I'll give each and every one of them 100,000 naira for their stress. If it's 10 million naira Ezengwongwo has spent on my wife, I'm ready to give you 100 million. 100 million naira. In fact, the wedding is cancelled. From this moment, cancel the wedding in your heart. When you're ready, people will be involved. That go to your so many guys, one of them business. They ka Obi Kubanaba, everybody ka Oshpopiva, Imoniva. All men who got Tinyaro that day. Calm down. What are you talking about?
Papa, you heard him. You heard everything he said. He's going to refund Ezengwongwo everything he spent on me. So what else are we dragging? Allow me to be with him.
You started all this nonsense. You started this nonsense. The first time I told you, wait for Ikenna that he paid your bride price. You refused. You said it was Ezengwongwo. That now he says Ezengwongwo. Now you're turning again to Ikenna. What is your problem? Am I not your father? Why would you be turning me up and down? Because of what? I don't know why would I close my mouth. Why? You started the nonsense. Why would you be turning me up and down? Am I not supposed to be your father?
Too much, in-law. You see, you're stressing yourself too much. Listen, okay.
There is trouble. There is trouble. What do we tell Ezengwongwo and the people invited for our daughter's traditional wedding tomorrow? Huh?
Now, I don't know. The way I'm even seeing things, I don't think Osi will ever leave Ikenna for another man. Yeah? It's better we quietly go home and pretend we didn't see our daughter in Ikenna's house. Because this battle is between Ezengwongwo and Ikenna, not us and anybody.
You've just said it. There is battle. I perceive that battle.
Huh?
I perceive battle. Bad one and very dangerous. Especially now that Ikenna is insisting on claiming the child that Kosi is bearing. Oh.
Hey!
Very serious one. Battle.
Chimo!
I perceive that war coming.
Hey! What are we going to do?
That's my handicap. I don't know how we're going to handle it. I don't know.
Hey!
But God will see us through. Understand?
Amen, no? Amen. Let's go home. Let's hurry on.
Papa, you're back. Mama, welcome. Papa, how did you go? Did you see Kosi at Ikenna's house?
Yes, I saw her.
So, where is she? Why didn't you come back with her now?
Go to Ikenna's house and find out yourself.
Mama, what is Papa saying? What happened at Ikenna's house?
You heard your father. Go to Ikenna's house and find out yourself.
Mama! Mama!
The boss. Ezengwongwo himself. Budugwana Achilefi. Ikenna is in custody of your wife and unborn child. Just say G, don't add O. We'll go there and unleash mayhem on them. I could see her.
If you do that, you're likely to harm my pregnant fiancée. If anything happens to my unborn child, I will wipe out your families. And your villages will not be spared as well. I have a better plan.
Has not done or say anything concerning the adoption going on in this kingdom. What do you have to say?
He is meat the same way you are meat. Look, those boys are dangerous. Very dangerous and rich. Do you know that Awigwe can be abducted if he says anything indicting against any of those boys? Do you know that? Huh?
Then, we the kinsmen of Chivumba, we have to do something. We need to ask questions. Concerning our brothers who are about. Yes! We can't just sit back and watch these stupid boys kidnap our brother with his wife just like that and we have nothing to do. No! Onuwa, I'm talking to you now. Where are you going? Onuwa, wait for me now.
Kosi.
Ikenna, you're welcome.
Why are you lying on the body of a man that's abducted you?
He did not abduct me. He is my beloved husband.
Your husband?
Yes.
Never. We are out there, worried about you, thinking that you were in captivity after your abduction. Meanwhile, you're here gladly enjoying yourself.
Oh, please come off it. What are you talking about? I am comfortable in my husband's house. Yes.
And who is your husband?
Very nice question. Very nice question. Ifeoma, I am my husband. Chief Ikenna mba. Ojiakwu egwu nchi 1. Onatali dike mma nke ebo n'ebe na-atọ. Sit down, let us entertain you. I'm a no wine I like him. Where do I start from? Ace and Space? Cricket? Or dumpling? If you don't want brandy and what do you call it? I can get you anything you want.
So talk. What would you have?
Why are you standing like somebody who has seen a ghost? Sit down. Sit down. Let's make you enjoy your life. Well, honey, get us something to eat.
Where are you taking us to? Hey.
I'm taking you to your son.
Our
son?
My son.
Which of our son? Don't worry, we'll get there, you will know.
Hey,
You don't need to be scared.
I'm not scared, though. I'm not about to Joe. Hey, oh, I'm not going to be no. I'm not going to
Driver, are you sure you are taking us to our son?
Very sure.
Vico, tell us the truth. Oh, when are you taking us to our son?
Yeah.
Is it to take go Kobe Ikenna? Which one?
I said don't worry. We'll get there, you will know.
If you move, I shoot. Hey, Oga.
Boss, what's the plan B?
I know who's behind this. I know exactly what to do to him. Get the Hummer ready.
Move.
How may I help you?
You are Ntutego's fiancée, right?
Yes, that's my husband.
Alright. Where are your parents?
They went to the police station to report Kosi's disappearance.
Okay. Ntutego actually threatened Ezengwongwo, sort of. And he gave us a message to deliver to you. Very simple message. Hey, please get the message.
Alright.
Get into the car.
I'm begging you now, please.
Take her inside.
I can't go anywhere. Please. Please do not kill my husband.
He's not your husband. We're supposed to be enjoying our lives right now before this monkey showed up. And he dies today.
No, please. Don't kill him. Don't kill him.
You came to Nigeria with my money, Ezengwongwo. After setting me up, now you're in my house pointing gun at me. You are the one who's supposed to die today. And that will happen now.
Not when my gun is already pointed at you.
Why don't you shoot if you're a man? Ezengwongwo.
Don't kill him, please. Don't, please. Remember everything. Remember how you people started. Remember the past, please. He is your friend. Don't kill him, please. Remember the past. You've come a long way, please.
I told you, Ma Wabogi. Now Ma Wabogi Gabo. Made you see me go sit down.
Please!
Ikenna! Don't shoot. Don't shoot, please. Remember how we started.
Ikenna, I've heard you.
I was actually planning to take my brother with me to Indonesia next week. But because of our friendship and because of the way you pleaded with me, I'll leave my brother and take you instead.
Hi. Huh?
What did you say?
I'll do that for you. See,
Hi.
I've seen how close you guys are. If I don't do this for you, if I leave you in this village, you continue suffering. Soon, rich young men, they'll take her away from you. I know she's a law student you've been training with your own money. You don't have to get venture, you've just been hustling. Boys will take her away from you. So I'll do it for you. I'll take you to Indonesia. Don't worry about the money. I'll pay everything. Just come there and learn my business.
One, I don't know how to thank you. But I tell you something. From today, I'll forever be indebted to you. If I see anything in this life that will harm you, and I get involved with it, let me not see the light of the day.
Thank you so much, Eze. God bless you. You've done everything for us. Thank you. Hi. Thank you. Thank you. Ikenna, please.
I'll give you all your money today.
Please.
Everything I owe you. Please. Don't kill me.
Please.
Ezengwongwo, we know the rules. Never double cross your brother. Ezengwongwo, you double crossed me. And for that, Meji Sigigwose.
Ezengwongwo, I told you I'll clip your wings.
Life without money, it was past death, you go see many things, you not go believe, don't deceive yourself. Money they rule the world. If you get them, you are there. If you don't get them, disappear. Chai chai ewo, akwane belego, na money mata, obuzi makego wa. Chai chai ewo, life without owo na wa, na so far. Obuzi makego wa. Chai chai ewo, akwane belego, na money mata, obuzi makego wa. Chai chai ewo, life without owo na wa, na so far. Obuzi makego wa. Obuzi makego wa. Obuzi makego wa.